Back to SolidCam 3D. Today in our tutorial drawing we are going to create this very simple screw threaded. In this we are going to use different types of command. So let's start our drawing part. Okay, first we are going to choose front plane sketch. First we are going to create a circle, give the dimension, give the total dimension of 10. You can choose on your own. Extrude boss base, give the total thickness around 40. Click OK. Now select this face, sketch, convert entities. Now go to the extrude boss base. We have to create a tip at the end of this screw. For this, total dimension of 10, give that total angle of 12, or you can choose as 30. Or you can use as 13. Click OK. 40 total and this angle is 13. Click OK. The tip of is ready. Now choose this face, sketch and convert entities. Then go to the extrude boss base. Again we have to create a head of the screw. For this, first give the total thickness of 20, give the angle around 30 and draft outside. You can as 10 or 15. So this is okay. Now click OK. Now we have to fillet this portion. For this, select fillet, select this portion. Now total fillet we can use as 50 or 100, as 100. We have to fillet all the tip of this, as we can do 120 or 150. 150 is okay. Now click OK. We have to create the portion on the upper side. For this, first we have to create center line, to center line, then go to the center rectangle, create two rectangles. First, then select this line, then choose this line, this center line and this end point to be symmetric. Choose this line, then choose this line, this center line and this line also to be symmetric. Then choose this line, this center line and this line also to be symmetric. Now we have to assign the dimensions. We can give this 3, or we can give 4, and also for this, give this 4. This is 4, this is 4. Now this length is about, you can choose as 20 and also for this 20. I am going to take this random dimensions, all you can choose this as you can given this. Now go to the extrude, first trim this inside portion. Trim all the inside portion that we not wanted. Now this is okay. Now click OK. Go to the extrude, cut, give the angle 10, total 3, or you can give this 5. Click OK. Now this portion is ready. Now we have to create this helix part. For this, first we have to select a plane. For this, first select a plane around front plane. Total of you can choose as 40, or flip offset, or you can choose 0 on the front plane. Click OK. Now you have to create the helix. First select this plane normal, select the sketch, select this outside circle, convert in deities. Then exit the sketch, go to the spiral and helix and variable pitch. 2 mm, revolution 25. First revolution will be 6, or the constant will be at, as we can see, this constant will be at 12. Dia will be same, 2, 13, same, 2, 14, same, 2, 15, same, 2, 16, same, 2, 17, same. Now as we can see this, the last 3 are going outside, so we can change this diameter around 9.2. now is going inside 9.2. this, the other one is also 9.2. now is going inside. You can also increase this 9.3. Mm, 9.3, 9.4. now this will be 9.3. now this will be 9.8. this will be 9.4, or 9.7. now this is okay. Now the other one is 9.4. okay. Now the next one will be 9.3, or we have to reduce it 9.2. now this is okay. Now 2, 18, 18, Now this will be, as we can change this to previous one 9.1. We have to reduce again as 9, again 8.8. Now this is really okay. Now 219. Now this will be 8.6, or we can say as 8.4. Now this is okay. Now 220 revolution. Now this will be 8. We have to go on the tip side, so 221, and this will be 7.5. 222 and 7. This will be 7. Now this will be 7. Now 223 we have to reduce from 7 to 6.2. Now click OK. All the helix has been created. Now click OK. Now choose the top view, normal. Now we have to create a sketch at this endpoint. Select this top view sketch. Now assign the dimensions. First we have to keep some relations equal. Now assign the dimensions around 1.5, or we can say as 2, and this dimension will be 1.5. Click OK. Now exit the sketch, go to the swift workspace, select this profile and select this path. Now the path is going to be select. Now click OK. First hide this plane and hide this. Now as we can see, this our threaded screw has been ready. We can also give this some sort of colors. Hope you enjoy this videos. For more videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel SolidCam 3D. We will meet next time.